In this video, we listed the 5 best mechanical keyboard on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Redragon K673 Keyboard. The Redragon K673 mechanical keyboard is a versatile and innovative device designed for gamers and general users alike, featuring a 3-mode connection system that includes USB-C wired, Bluetooth 3.0, 5.0, and 2.4 GHz wireless options for seamless connectivity across various devices such as desktops, laptops, and tablets. This full-sized keyboard boasts low-profile red switches that require only 40 G of actuation force, enhancing responsiveness while maintaining a sleek design. With a robust build quality, it offers 16.8 million customizable RGB backlighting options, for macro keys for on-the-fly adjustments, and dedicated media control functions. The keyboard's solid battery life ensures prolonged usage in wireless mode, complemented by a low battery indicator. It comes with essential accessories, including a USB cable and a keycap, switch puller, and is backed by a warranty that covers quality issues. Overall, the Redragon K673 combines functionality, durability, and aesthetic appeal, making it an excellent choice for gamers and professionals alike. Number 2. Redragon K673 PRO. The Redragon gasket-out wireless gaming keyboard is a high-performance device designed for gamers and professionals alike. Featuring an innovative gasket structure that reduces noise and enhances typing comfort, it utilizes a tri-mode connection that supports USB-C, Bluetooth 3.0, 5.0, and 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity, offering versatility and convenience. The keyboard boasts an 81-key layout that eliminates the numpad for greater mouse movement space while maintaining essential function keys, making it compact and practical. With upgraded hot swap capabilities compatible with most mechanical switches, users can easily customize their experience. Other key features include noise-dampening materials for a cleaner sound, a user-friendly control knob for adjusting backlighting and media, and compatibility with advanced Pro software for creating custom macros and effects. Its modern design, available in abyssal blue, ensures it not only performs well but also looks sleek in any setup. Additionally, the keyboard comes with essential accessories and a warranty for replacement or repair in case of issues. Number 3. MONKA A75 Mechanical Keyboard. The A75 mechanical keyboard is a versatile and high-performance device designed for various applications, including gaming, office work, and multimedia use. This keyboard features a compact 78-key layout with PBT plastic keycaps and utilizes dye sublimation printing for durability. It supports hot swappable switches, allowing users to customize their typing experience easily. The keyboard operates wirelessly via 2.4 GHz technology and includes RGB backlighting with multiple color options, enhancing its aesthetic appeal. Constructed from aluminum alloy, it offers an ergonomic design and a multifunctional knob for added convenience. The A75 is compatible with Windows and Mac systems and comes packaged for easy delivery, with options for wholesale and drop shipping available. With a focus on customer satisfaction, the seller provides timely shipping and responsive service, ensuring a positive purchasing experience. Number 4. AJAZZ AKP153E Keyboard. The AJAZZ AKP153E is a multifunctional console panel designed for desktop use, equipped with 15 customizable macro keys that streamline workflows for video editing, music production, gaming, and live streaming across platforms like YouTube, Twitch, and OBS. With a compact size of 130 by 80 by 60 mm and a lightweight design of 190 G, it connects via a USB Type-C interface and is compatible with both Windows, from Win 7 onwards, and Mac OS, 10.13 and above. The integrated LCD screen provides real-time insights, enhancing user efficiency and productivity. Though it lacks hot swappable switches and wrist support, its intuitive design and robust construction make it a reliable tool for modern creators, promising seamless integration into various digital ecosystems while enhancing both performance and aesthetic appeal. Number 5. SKYLOONG GK104 Pro. The SKYLOONG GK104 Pro mechanical keyboard is a high-performance, customizable keyboard designed for gamers and typing enthusiasts alike. It features a dual electronic screen that displays vital information such as battery status and connection details, and it also functions as a calculator. With a robust connectivity suite including USB-C wired, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz wireless options, the keyboard is versatile enough to connect to multiple devices seamlessly. It boasts an impressive 8000 mAh lithium battery for extended use and supports hot-swappable gate-run mechanical switches, allowing users to tailor their typing experience. The keyboard is constructed from durable ABS, PBT materials and features a vibrant 16.8 million RGB backlight, enhancing both aesthetics and functionality. Weighing 1.35 kilograms and measuring 45.2 by 14.6 by 3.5 centimeters, the GK104 Pro combines ergonomic design with practical features, making it suitable for gaming, office work, and creative tasks. Its customizable knobs and extensive programmable functions further elevate its usability, catering to a wide range of user preferences.